Goodman Error Code F5 indicates a problem with the Compressor Drive Module, which is a critical component in your HVAC system. The CDM controls the compressor's electrical supply. The compressor is essential for cooling your home, and the CDM ensures stable voltage, typically 208 to 230 volts, while protecting against electrical surges. Error F5 commonly arises from voltage irregularities, faulty capacitors, or wiring issues that disrupt the compressor's operation. Recent Goodman firmware updates provide more specific subcodes, such as F51 for overvoltage, which improves diagnostic accuracy. The error triggers when the system's control board detects a fault in the compressor drive module. Ignoring F5 can lead to compressor burnout, with repair costs ranging from $500 to $1,500. To begin troubleshooting, perform a power-off reset by unplugging the unit for 5 to 10 minutes. To troubleshoot Goodman Error Code F5, start with a simple power reset. Unplug the unit from the power source and wait 5 to 10 minutes. This often clears transient errors and resets the system. Next, diagnose by checking capacitor values using a multimeter. Look for start capacitors in the 40 to 70 mMIF range. Faulty capacitors are a common cause of F5 errors. Verify wiring continuity and ensure the unit is properly grounded. Check for loose connections or damaged wires that could cause electrical issues. Ensure voltage is stable and check for high or low voltage issues. Faulty run capacitors or internal module shorts can also trigger F5. Examine related components, like the compressor overload protector and the printed circuit board, for any signs of damage or failure. If the error persists after these checks, consult a certified HVAC technician. They have the tools and expertise to handle complex repairs safely. To prevent F5 errors, perform regular maintenance and install surge protectors to protect against power surges. Always remember electrical safety precautions and adhere to manufacturer warranties during troubleshooting. Working with electricity can be dangerous.